These vegan pan-fried Korean barbecue dumplings are served with spicy Cho Gochujang Mayo and a delicious kale and mushroom salad. Let's start by preparing the Cho Gochujang Mayonnaise dipping sauce. Combine the mayonnaise, sesame oil, salt, lemon juice, and Cho Gochujang, which is a delicious sweet, spicy, and savory Korean sauce made with a hint of vinegar. Next, we'll make our salad. Gently massage the kale with a pinch of salt to lightly soften the leaves. Add the garlic and gently mix. Then add in the mushrooms, radishes, and pickled onions. We'll use some of the brine from the pickled onions, but you can also use your favorite vinegar. To prepare the Korean barbecue dumplings, heat a sauté pan with oil over medium heat. Add the dumplings and cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve the Korean barbecue dumplings with Cho Gochujang mayonnaise and the side salad. You'll love the combination of sweet, savory Korean barbecue dumplings, spicy creamy mayo, and crunchy savory salad.